So while I was getting gas today,
Yuto was vibing and
This
decided to hit
happens.
the curb.
All of the night, I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah. Calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Yeah. Back out, Zach's. I take no feeling when you lack out.
what is up, everybody? This is future Gito coming to you at a future date. While I was editing this video, I realized that I did not record an intro, so I'm going to be doing that right now. Basically, in this video, I scraped my rim, we replaced the windshield, and we did the JB Weld fix. So you guys are going to see the results of the windshield, and you guys are going to see the results of the JB Weld fix. Did JB Weld actually fix the radiator leak, or is it still leaking? Well, you guys are gonna have to find out. As you guys already know, my radiator is leaking right now, and as you saw from the intro, I'm pretty much doing that same procedure pretty much every day at this point. I'm really hoping that the JB Weld is a fix, because if it doesn't, then we're gonna have to do a radiator replacement, and that's gonna be a bigger job. So just to give you guys like a recap of what needs to be done to the car, at this point in the video, we need to do the windshield replacement. My driver's side front headlight is out, so that will need to be fixed at a future date. So today is pretty much windshield replacement and JB Weld radiator fix. And at a later date, I do want to fix my wheels because they are curb rash right now, as you will see later on in this video and as you saw earlier. And one of the wheels has a slight bend to it, so I do want to get that fixed at a later date as well. And then let's see. I believe that's pretty much it as far as maintenance goes. I will catch you guys later. Let's head down to Safe Light right now.
Love, but I need your help now. I can't vibe knowing you ain't here. Yeah, one real.
Alright guys, we destroyed the rims. Gito,
So while I was getting gas today,
Yuto was vibing and
This
decided to hit
happens.
the curb.
not a good day, folks. A little bit of a rash right there too. And then over here.
I would call that third-degree burn, not a rash.
But the good news is the windshield is replaced. Bam. Look at that. No more crack running along here. No more crack over here. No more stickers over here. Nice and clean. So we basically traded curb rash for a new windshield.
Yuto literally, every time something new happens, he literally breaks the car with something else.
But I called Rim Pros and SAC. They're gonna give me a quote on fixing the wheels. And they're also gonna give me a quote on fixing the bent wheel as well. So hopefully we can get those things sorted out soon.
Guys. The quote is for buying new rims. Like, do you see these things?
It's not that bad actually.
No, Yuto
It's just
destroyed them.
this. And then this is the worst contender right here. But overall the wheel's fine. Alright, we'll get back to you guys later.
Got something I adhere to. Bring your heart. It's a ride you won't believe. Yeah, what you want from my little life, yeah. Something better than me, it's a fight, yeah. Trying to risk my life, yeah. For the one who said she'd die for me. While I like that, all alike. But it get better for me, writing down this song. Just trying to get along.
There's a leak right there, guys. As you can see, that's my previous fix, which was just Gorilla Glue. The Gorilla Glue held up for a while, but it's slowly starting to get more soft, and as it starts to get more soft, it starts to leak more and more coolant, so it's obviously not going to be a permanent solution, which is why today we're going to be doing the JB Weld fix and see how long that lasts. let's go ahead and start the car so we can see where the leaks are coming from. Leaking right here, obviously, and there's another small one in here, and I believe there's another small one on the outer edge, so we're just gonna have to wrap it all the way around. But this is our biggest one right here. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna sand down the radiator. That way the JB Weld has something to stick to. So it does come with sandpaper, thankfully. So let's go ahead and sand it down. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to combine these two patches together. So basically just apply pressure to the top part of the epoxy until it comes down like that. And then basically you're just going to want to knead it and mix the two together.
Purchase your tracks today.
So now what we're going to do is we're just going to cut the pouch and then spread the epoxy over the cut areas with this brush. And then after we spread half of the epoxy over it, we're going to cut up the fiberglass that we were given and put that over the epoxy. And then after we do that, we're going to put the rest of the second half on top of the fiberglass. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Well guys, I think I took too long because it's like firm. It's not supposed to be firm. Yeah guys, I took way too long because once I mixed it, I poured it out and I got my brush, it's already hard. And this is hard already. This is hard already too. It won't come out and it's super hot too. So word of advice, if you guys are doing this, make sure everything is ready before you mix it because this thing dries super quick. So I'm gonna have to go down to AutoZone and buy another pack. All right guys, so as I showed you, the epoxy dried really quickly. Like probably like a minute or two after I mixed it, it was already dry, it was hard. So word of advice, make sure that you are ready to apply the epoxy as soon as you mix it, because if you don't, you're gonna end up like me and you're gonna have to go down and buy another kit. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm heading down to AutoZone, I'm gonna buy another kit, and this time I'm gonna have everything ready before I mix it. So like I said, word of advice, mix it before you have everything ready because that thing dries quickly. So let's head down there right now. All right, let's see if they have it. Hopefully they do, and it's not like last time where we have to go to multiple AutoZones. Yep, they have it. All right, I am now back, guys, with another kit right here. So let's go ahead and give this a second shot. $16 later. Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah, it should.
I think it's gonna work.
If not, we just get a 335, you know.
Do you think it'll be able to sustain the pressure if we take it to a track?
Yeah, but the rest of the engine isn't. Like the radiator's gonna hold up with the. Okay, get to actually doing it all the way over there. People are gonna be like, "There's no way." He's
No, there's still people that come out. There's like a kid that starts skateboarding. There's the E90.
Is that an M3?
No, not yet.
There's no, not yet. There's.
The frame's the same.
Sure it is.
The next thing we're gonna have to do is probably an M3 radiator.
That's not gonna hold.
Should we put tape around it?
No.
My wheel cap came off too, guys, so I have to go down. BMW might sell one, or I might have to order it online. The car's looking good. Like, I don't even know like what else we should do. Like, are you gonna start it right now?
Yeah, it's being primed.
This it ain't like a Model T. Gotta let the engine temp come up.
Is it holding?
You have to wait a bit. What mod do you guys think we should do next?
If you come over here, there's plenty to do to the car.
Honestly, this is gonna be an easy fix.
Also, you need more power than this.
I can add like 10 extra horsepower with the tune.
Also, if we make our way to the back, guys, it kind of looks plain, to be honest. Like, okay, let's get it in the comments below. Would it look better with an M3 bumper with dual exhaust in the back?
Nope. We're gonna do the M Sport rear bumper.
M Sport rear bumper with dual exhaust. So it's gonna quad duals, but we're gonna keep the badge, guys. Don't think we're trying to.
We're gonna put the quad in the middle.
No, no.
Yes,
this
the
isn't
quad
gonna
in the
be.
middle.
This is not gonna be a new
Because
M3.
if we put quad on each side, then it's gonna look like an M3, and it's not an M3. So we have to be different.
That would
So
actually be kind of sick if you put quad in the middle.
We're gonna put quad in the middle.
Are you actually going to?
Yeah, I mean, because if we put
That would be kind of
If we
sick.
put one on each side, that's a 335.
All we need to do is just buy another one of these and flip it around on both sides, so it's gonna come out like here.
Space?
Yeah, there's space. Well, what's under there?
Whatever this is.
Wait, move.
Oh yeah, we could take that out.
This is small enough where you can fit two of these right by each other. Oh, also when we do that, we're doing the Resonator delete, guys. So this should be in the next 2 years. So stay
The
tuned.
Resonator delete is gonna happen like within like 3 months.
It's gonna be pretty crazy. All right, I'm gonna give it a little rev. Hand you back to Gito.
Right. Honestly, guys, we're not gonna know for sure if this is like a long fix until we start driving it every day, because if I get a low coolant light again, then that means that it's leaking still. But right now, you can't really tell. So I'm gonna drive it for a couple of days and see how long it lasts without getting a low coolant light, and that will tell me how much it fixed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and refill it with distilled water and coolant. I might have to go to BMW to buy coolant though. I don't know yet if I have some or not.
Him? This baby engine. I'm like,
While I'm over here trying to fix the car, Max is making it look like a racer.
I'm experimenting.
All right, I'm gonna head down to BMW, guys, and pick up a center cap. After that, we're gonna wash the car, and we should be done for today.
Will you put it on me?
All right, so I just got the hubcap, but in 50 years, this is what I'm gonna have.
So, on today's video, we're gonna be changing the spark plugs.
In 50 years, guys, in 50 years.
Yeah, when this is already 50 years old, there's not even.
Look how fancy this hubcap is.
Why did they put it
It's in a bag.
The back costs more than the hubcap.
Man, brand new. Boom. We're all good now. All right, guys, well, that concludes the video for today. We actually got a lot of things accomplished in this video. We got the windshield replaced, and we got the hubcap fixed on there, and we fixed the radiator leak. So 3 things today in this video. The E90 is coming a long way. The next video is probably going to be... So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
All in the night, I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah, calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Back out, sex. I take no feelings.